Hello, 你好，你好吗? Today we will learn how to introduce yourself. To telling people your name, you can say 我叫 blah 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 blah. You better say your family name and then the first name together. It sounds very serious. Here, 叫, literally 叫 means to call. And that's why 我叫 means I've been called this one. So 叫 is not really heißen in Deutsch. It's not a ich heiße. For us, more like I've been called blah 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 blah. Because let's see this sentence. We also say 你叫我 blah blah. It's like you call me, then the name you want people to call you. And when you introduce, you can say two sentences. The first sentence is the whole name and sounds serious introducing. And then later on, you say, my name, sounds my name is long, but you call me this way, so it's a casual way. For example, I will introduce like this. 我叫王艳萍。好吧，你叫我 Echo or 老师 or 艳萍. So it's the name you want people to call in casual. The key in this sentence is once you hear 我叫 and there's nobody here and it's a name. So my name is. But if you hear people say 你叫我, here is you call me. Many people forgot this 我 sounds like a you called, then it's another meaning. For example, let's see. My mom called me Jen. We say 我的妈妈叫我 Jen. And 我的爸爸叫我this way, honey. And then 我叫我的爸爸爸爸 I called my father daddy. 我叫我的妈妈 mommy. After learning how to say your name, let's learn how to say your nationality. And here, this word, sh. Sh, we pronounce sh. It's more follow English, ship or something. And then this e, it doesn't make sound. This e, it's only for carrying the tones here. And then if shi, we pronounce shi, because the fourth tone, shi. Shi means be. Like English, I am, you are, he is, and we only have one word, we say 是. So no matter 我是, 你是, 他是, 我们是, 你们是, 他们是, it's only one 是. At the first lesson, we learn when people say adjective, when you comment, we say we don't connect the be words in between. Because for us, when we think about things good, it's directly. But we do have a 是 word. 是 words for defining who you are. So every sentence, same like English. When English you say, I am a person, I am a girl, I am a teacher, and we do say 是, it's for defining you. And also, this is, how would you say? We say 这是 or 这个是. And this 个 we will explain soon, but 这 is more like this. You can say this is or this one is. Both okay. Of course, when you introduce your name, excepting 我叫, you also can say 我是 Echo, 我是 Jennifer, 我是 Peter. So it's also I am Peter. But let's learn a new word here. 人. 人 means human, people, person. We all use same words. 人. And how would you say I am a human? 我是人. Okay, this sentence sounds weird. Probably never need to say this sentence. 我是人. But once you really mad of someone, you can say 你不是人. Okay, our lesson is not for teaching this word, but our lesson is to learn how to say the nationality. Here, 中国, 中国 means China, and 国, it's related about country, and then 中 literally means middle. So 中国, it's about middle country. We call ourselves middle land. It's not because at that time we thought we're in the middle of the world or we're in the center of the world, but in Chinese people's mind in the ancient time, we thought we're in the middle of the of the sky and ground. We're in the middle, so we need to respect everything. So 中国 is a China, and then 中国人 China man, and it's Chinese. So when you say 我是中国人 I'm a Chinese. Now how would you say I'm not a Chinese? 我不是中国人 Since 是 is a forced tone, so when we say negative, this 不 we change the tone. We say 不是中国人. Then how to ask me, are you Chinese? 你是中国人吗? Yeah, put a ma at the end. It's a yes or no question. 你是中国人吗? In the old time, we named the few country by Chinese way. For example, 德国, I think it's from the sound Deutschland. So 德国, Germany. And then 英国, it's very obvious. It's from England. So 英国. Guess this country. 法国. 法国. It's a French. And in Taiwan or in Hong Kong, I think they say 法国. Sounds more elegant. But in mainland, we say 法国. Then listen this. 美国, 美国. It's America. America. Okay, that's why 中国, 德国, 英国, 法国, 美国. All this country we still name by the Chinese way. We say something something 国. Other country, I think we name it by their own pronunciation. And if you hear people say 意大利, Italy, Italy, it's from Italy. And then since we're in Switzerland here, 瑞士, that's how we name the country. Maybe when we hear Switzerland, we forgot S and we only heard about 瑞士. And yeah, this is a 是 means I am. This is a 是 another 是. But once when you say the sentence, we get used to 我是 you're defining, and 瑞士 together. It's a Switzerland. So 我是瑞士人. I am a Swiss person. I'm a Swiss. If you don't know your own country, how to say in Chinese, you can say English way. For example, 我是 Spain 人,我是 Ireland 人. So we understand. Now I introduce myself again with 3 sentences. 你好，我叫王艳萍。你叫我 Echo。我是中国人。You can try by yourself. About asking questions. When I want to ask which country and what nationality are you, we use this word 哪. 哪, it means which. So 哪国 means which country. And remember the first lesson we learned the 那个 or the 那个 forced tone. 那个 means that one. But then once you're not sure which one, you ask which one, and we use the same pronunciation, just changing tones, like 哪. So 哪国, which country? 哪国人, which country people? And then also when we ask a question about a question with the question word, we don't put a which at the beginning. Sentence, we're still asking same way. We say 你是 which country people? 你是哪国人 So, 你是哪国人 I ask you, 你的爸爸是哪国人 Your father is which country people? You should be able to answer it, right? 你的妈妈是哪国人 That's also a question. So we will get used to this once you hear 哪. Okay, this is a question things. Let's learn one more new word. Here. And C in Chinese we pronounce like a t. Like when you say cat. So it's like a t at the end. It's from A, B, C. So for us it's t. T-A-I, 菜. 菜 means vegetable. Also means dish. Also means cuisine. Because 1,000 years ago, I don't think we have enough meat. So most of the dish are from the vegetable. And too much dish make a cuisine, right? So once you say 中国菜, it's generally all the Chinese cuisines. And 德国菜, German cuisine. Oh, I like Italy cuisine. I say 我爱吃意大利菜. And honestly, in China, we don't have a word called 中国菜 because we have also local dish like a Sichuan 菜, Beijing 菜, Shanghai 菜, and the local things. But say 中国菜, we understand very well. Whole Chinese style of the dish. And then here, if people ask you, 你爱吃哪国菜? You love to eat which country cuisine? 你爱吃哪国菜? Then you can answer, 我爱吃瑞士菜、中国菜、德国菜、英国菜、法国菜、美国菜、瑞士菜、意大利菜. So all the country you know, you can put a 菜, then it's kind of cuisine. Also, let's see how to introduce yourself only by few lessons. I will say this way. I will say, 你好，我叫王艳萍。你叫我艳萍。我是中国人。Remember, if your country has no 国 and you can say 我是意大利人，我是西班牙人，我是荷兰人，我是比利时人，挪威人，捷克人，葡萄牙人，爱尔兰人，卢森堡人，加拿大人，奥地利人。And then, 我爱吃中国菜。我很爱吃上海菜。So once you say really, really love, you can put 很 before I because it's very love. 我很爱吃上海菜。And then 我爱喝中国茶。So once the 茶 with the country, especially Chinese tea. How would you like to have a try? Looking forward to hearing you introduce yourself during the class. So today our lessons until here and see you next time. Bye bye. 再见.